Hi, I'm Junaid. This is my order execution engine built with Node.js, BoolMQ, and Redis. For this implementation, I deliberately chose market orders over limit and sniper orders because my reasoning was to prioritize system latency and throughput because those other order types would have an overhead of off-chain order book and polling services. So here we can see that I have containerized the entire application in the Railway app. So and then this is the dashboard which is connected to the Railway cloud. Here we can see that we have used the Railway given links to connect this dashboard. Now we'll choose some USDC amount. When I click this execute button, it's gonna provide a QID and then it's gonna do a routing to the Solana server and then it's gonna sign in using my hash account and then it's gonna settle the order. Yeah, the order is completed. Now if we go on this view on Explorer, we can see that this transaction which is happened right now in real time is being all the details related to this transaction are being showed here. So this is a real transaction which happened right now. Okay, now talking about the architecture. Initially, I have built a mock DEX router, which just simulated mock prices and mock transactions. But since I had some time, I have decided to work with the real deal. And here I have implemented the transactions which are 100% real. But talking about the prices, I still mock them because the price pools for Radium and Meteora are very hard to find because they are very illiquid. So I thought it would be a better option to go for a price mock and then making the transactions real, which is the main important task for our backend. Now we move on to the verification and testing. Here you can see I'm running this server locally and I have a test script ready. So when I hit the test, um, it will show various tests like checking the server health and submitting the market order, connecting to the WebSocket, and everything is working well. Now I have created one more test suite with 10 unit and integration tests. We'll run that too. So there are 10 types of uh, tests I have performed here. And in that, one of the tests is ordering 8 concurrent transactions. Like one, these are 6, and this is one more. So there are 8 concurrent transactions which we have given to the network. So, and as we can see that everything has been processed properly without any issues. So, and these are actually the real transactions. Like if I got to take any one of the links, like for example this link, and I open it here, you can see that this is a transaction which we have performed right now. So this and this week, you can see the time is been matching properly, and even the we have given a new signature of recent block hash. So that is all for my video, and all the remaining details are in the Git repo. Thanks for watching.